Welcome to all my listeners and the viewers. Today we are having class 9th NCRT solution. The exercise is 7.3. We are solving the question number 1 first. Okay. Now question number 1 is given that इस क्वेश्चन में ये दिया है आपका कि ट्राइंगल ए बी सी और डी बी सी दीज आर द टू ट्राइंगल. Both triangles are having the same base BC. Vertex A and D are lie on the same side of a BC. Now, if we join AD को join करें and extend AD to P, which meet BC at point P. Is that clear? Now, we have to prove that the first part, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. These two triangles are congruent. Then afterwards, we have to also prove ABP is congruent to ACP. In third part, we have to prove AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. In the fourth part, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Is that clear? So we just solving the first one. So first one is proof. Okay. हमें प्रूफ क्या करना है? ABD और ACD these two triangles are congruent. तो अगर मैं ये देखूं कि अगर ABD और ACD AB is equal to AC, why? Because ABC is an isosceles triangle. In the same way, BD is equal to CD. Why? Because BCD is also a isosceles triangle. And AD, दोनों में AD common है. That is why these two triangles are congruent. So, we have in triangle ABD and triangle ADC. इज दैट क्लियर? इस ट्राइंगल का ए बी जो है इस ट्राइंगल के ए सी के इक्वल है. ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए सी. द रीजन इज गिवन. एंड बी डी इज इक्वल टू सी डी बिकॉज डी बी सी इज एन आइसोसेलिस ट्राइंगल एंड ए डी इज इक्वल टू ए डी. दीज आर common side. That is why. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Side, side, side. What the criteria we are using? Side, side and side criteria. Is that clear? If these two triangles are congruent, so this implies अगर ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं तो दैट मीन्स एंगल बी ए डी इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी ए डी. नाउ इफ वी एक्सटेंड द ए डी टू पी सो दैट इज एंगल बी ए पी इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी ए पी बाई CP CT. Is that clear? That means angle BAP is equal to CAP. Now in second part, in triangle ABP, in triangle ABP and in triangle ACP. AB इज इक्वल टू AC, ये आपका दिया हुआ है. और BAP इज इक्वल टू CAP. BAP इज इक्वल टू CAP. वाई? वी आर ऑलरेडी प्रूव्ड. एंड AP is equal to AP. These are common side. Is that clear? So therefore triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP by using a criteria side angle side SAS criteria. Is that clear? अब क्योंकि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल आपस में कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं तो दिस इम्प्लाइज एंगल APB is equal to APC and BP is equal to CP by CPCD. Is that clear? क्योंकि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल आपके कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं, इसी वजह से आपका BP जो होगा वो CP के बराबर होगा और एंगल APB is equal to APC. Is that clear? Now we are also prove क्योंकि एंगल BAP is equal to CAP है, this angle is equal to this angle, so it means AP is the bisector of angle A. Now we have also proved that BDP is equal to CDP, so ADAP is the bisector of angle D as well. So in the third part, in triangle DBP and triangle DCP, BD जो है आपका CD के बराबर है. This one is given already. BP is equal to CP. We are above proved. इसको ऊपर प्रूव किया गया है. और जो आपका DP है वो DP both are common side. Therefore triangle BDP is congruent to triangle CDP by using a criteria triple S. Is that clear? This implies angle BDP is equal to angle CDP by corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Is that clear? That is AP, क्योंकि आपका एंगल BAP is equal to CAP and angle BDP is equal to CDP. That means AP bisect angle A as well as angle C. So AP bisect angle A as well as angle D in the fourth part. Now in the fourth part we are already proved that BP is equal to CP. BP CP के बराबर है, ये हमने प्रूव किया है. अब हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि अगर APB and APC both are 90 degree, so it means AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. But angle APB plus angle APC is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Angle APB, now replace APC by APB, is equal to 180 degree. यहाँ पर रीजन since APB is equal to ACP. Is that clear? APB, that means to angle APB is equal to 180 degree. Angle APB is equal to 180 divided by 2, that means 90 degree. That is angle APB is equal to APC is equal to 90 डिग्री. ये दोनों आपके 90 डिग्री हैं एंड BP इज इक्वल टू CP. ये अबव प्रूव किया गया है. therefore AP is the bisector of BC। आपका चारों कंडीशन आपको प्रूव हो गया, hence it is above proved। Is that clear? Now in question number 2 it's given that ABC is an isosceles triangle such that AB जो है वो आपका AC के बराबर है and AD is the altitude। AD क्या है? आपका altitude है जो BC पे D पर meet करेगा। Is that clear? So AD is the altitude whereas AB is equal to AC। Now how we will just prove that it's given that कि AD bisect BC। If AD bisect BC, it means we have to prove that BD is equal to CD and AD bisect angle A, that means angle BAD is equal to angle CAD। Is that clear? Now how we will just prove? So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, is that clear? In ABD and ACD, angle ADB is equal to ADC, each 90 degree। Why? Because AD is an altitude। AB is equal to AC, it's given in the question, and AD is equal to AD, these are common side। So therefore triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD, it means ABD and ACD, because in triangle AB is equal to AC, angle ADB ADC both are 90 degree and AD is the common side। That is why these two triangles are congruent। With using what criteria we have to apply here? So in this one is the right angle triangle, basically this angle is 90 degree, the side opposite to the 90 degree, that is the hypotenuse, this hypotenuse is equal and one of its side is equal, so that is why we are applying RHS criteria। So by using right hypotenuse side criteria, so this implies angle BAD is equal to angle CAD and BD is equal to CD by corresponding parts of congruent triangle, है ना? यही हमें क्या प्रूव करना। So hence it is above proved। Now in question number 3 it's given that in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in triangle ABC the side AB is equal to PQ and side BC is equal to QR। AM and PN are the median। If AM and PN are the median, so BM is equal to CM, QN is equal to NR। Is that clear? If AM and BN, median होगा क्या? Median, if AM is the median, so it divides the opposite side into two equal half, that is why it's called a median। Is that clear? तो median basically क्या करेगा? Opposite sides को two equal halves में divide करेगा, that is why AM and PN are the median of this triangle। It is already given in the question। Now we have to prove that triangle ABM is congruent to PQN, and after that we have to also prove ABC is congruent to PQR। Is that clear? So how gonna we prove this? We have AM and PN are the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. Is that clear? So AB, it's given that BC is equal to QR. BC QR के बराबर है क्योंकि AM and PN are the median, so it divide, that means BM जो है, BM is half of BC and QN is half of QR, so multiplying by half on both sides. Half BC is equal to half QR, तो BC का आधा, that means BM is equal to CM, sorry, BM is equal to QN. Now in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, AB, side AB is equal to PQ. It given that BM is equal to QN. We are already proved this. And AM is equal to PN. This one is also given. Therefore, triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN by using a criteria SSS criteria. This implies angle ABM is equal to angle PQN by CPCD. Is that clear? Now we have to prove that ABC and triangle PQR, these two are congruent triangles. Why? If AB is equal to PQ, angle B is equal to angle Q, we already proved this, and BC is equal to QR. So these two triangles are congruent to one another. Again, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, is that clear? AB is equal to PQ, it given angle B is equal to angle Q, ever proved, and BC is equal to QR, ये आपका दिया हुआ है. Is that clear? Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by using a criteria side angle side criteria, और हमें यही प्रूव करना था. Hence, it is above proved. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इसमें आपका ये दिया है कि ABC is a triangle in which BE and CF, these are equal altitude. BE and CF are these are two altitude, and these altitudes are equal in length. So by using a RHS criteria, we have to prove that AB is equal to AC. Now, how we will just prove that AB is equal to AC? Either we have to prove that ABE congruent to ACF. अगर मैं ABE और ACF को अगर congruent करूं तो ये मुमकिन है. तो क्योंकि ए बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू ए सी, दिस वन इज द 90 डिग्री, है ना, दिस वन इज द 90 डिग्री एंड बी इज इक्वल टू सी एफ एंड दिस एंगल इज कॉमन. So if I supposed to be congruent these two triangles, so here we gonna be apply the AAS criteria, but it given in the question कि by using the RHS criteria, है ना, and by using the RHS criteria AB is equal to AC. तो इसके लिए मैं ये देखूंगा कि जो BCF and BCE in these two triangles, is that clear? So angle E and F, these are 90 degree and BCF is equal to BE and BC is the common side. So in this triangle one angle is 90 degree, the side opposite to the 90 degree, that is the hypotenuse, are equal and one of its side is equal. So by using a RHS criteria, तो triangle BCF is congruent to CBE by using the RHS. Then after that angle B is equal to angle C by using a CPCT, and as we know that the side opposite to the equal angles are equal, that means AC is equal to AB, and this is the way to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So we are going to prove the given result. So we have in triangle BCF and triangle CBE. Is that clear? Angle BFC is equal to CEB. These are each 90 degree. Why? Because BE and CF are the altitude, and altitude CF is equal to altitude of BE. This one is also given, and BC is equal to CB. These are common side. Therefore triangle BCF congruent to triangle CBE किस क्राइटेरिया से होगा? आपका RHS criteria. Is that clear? So this implies angle B, इस ट्राइंगल का एंगल B इस ट्राइंगल के एंगल C के बराबर होगा by CPCT. And as we know that side opposite to equal angles are equal. Therefore the side opposite to angle B is side AC, and the side opposite to angle C is AB. That is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, and this is the way to prove the result, and it is above proved. Now in question number 5 it is given ABC is a triangle in which AB is equal to AC. It given that draw the perpendicular AD to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Now we have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. तो इसके लिए हम ये देखेंगे कि ट्राइंगल ABD एंड ACD बोथ आर कॉन्ग्रेंट टू वन अदर. अगर इन दोनों को अगर मैं कॉन्ग्रेंट करूंगा तो एंगल बी और एंगल सी आपका इक्वल हो जाएगा। तो इसके लिए क्या किया जाएगा, ए बी डी और ए सी डी में ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए सी, ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए सी and AD is perpendicular, that means these are 90 degree, these are each 90 degree and AD is the common. So this one angle is 90 degree, the side opposite to the 90 degree is the hypotenuse equal and one of its side equal. By using a RHS criteria, so these two triangles are congruent to one another. अगर इसको चेक करना है तो अगर मैं C को उठाकर इसके ऊपर फ्लिप किया जाए, so that means B is coinciding with C. So that means these two triangles are congruent and this is the way to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. Is that clear? Now we have in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AB is equal to AC. It given that angle ADB is equal to ADC, each 90 degree. By construction is given that, and AD is equal to AD. This one is common side. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by RHS criteria. This implies angle B is equal to angle C by CPCD. Hence, it is above proved. Above proved. Okay. So this one is the required solution of exercise 7.3, solution question number 1 to 5. If you are having any problem, you may just ask your queries. Okay, so thank you everyone.